Dark Skin Tribe, hi! Welcome to a new video. It's your baby girl Cherish, and we are going to be doing an unboxing in this video. We're also going to basically be having a heart-to-heart talk. I don't even know if it's going to be heart-to-heart, but basically, we're going to have fun in this video as long as my phone doesn't mess up.
I need your billing up body, or got no woman.
Anyway, guys, I received this box from Style Korean. I usually do an unboxing. I usually do unboxing. Like, I receive a lot of PR boxes, but I figured out that I don't do an unboxing, like detailed unboxing on my YouTube channel. So this year, I am changing that. I'm going to start doing an like unboxing, not just on my TikTok, not just short form videos. We are going to be unboxing because some people actually enjoy watching unboxing videos, but I don't create them on my channel. So anyway, before we start this video, you guys, I really need to make money to buy my microphone, but I'm going to do everything in my power. I have a fan here. I need the fan. I'm going to do everything in my power to make sure I speak out loud. And will I say CapCut now? Everything is not free. Everything is a pro feature. Right now we're like but we move actually. So I got this box from Style Korea. It's their 2025 New Year box. Oh my god, it's called the Rookie box. So let's see what's in the box. Although my phone is blinking about to go off, but we move. So this is what's inside the box. Like, look at all this goodness. Let's see what's inside the box, like individually, basically. Okay, so let's go. The first thing I would like to show you guys in this box is this. It's a cleansing balm. I actually tried it out today and I liked it actually. This is what it looks like. The whole package, the bottle is so cute, like so cute. Can you guys see this? It's a gentle, fresh gentle cleanser. It's an hydrating and deep clean. It's hydrating and deep cleaning. Basically, it's actually deep cleaning. Like, it breaks down your makeup. I'm not doing any PR. Like, we're basically unboxing. Look, I've been talking so much. But basically, I tried this out and I really liked it today. I really liked it. It came with this scooper, whatever, and this is what it looks like, you guys. It smells really good. It smells really good. It smells really fresh. I really liked it when I used it. So that's that for Anicia. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Actually, I don't know, I'm just like pronouncing it just the way I think it sounds. So that's that for this gentle cleanser. I like it, and it's something that I'll definitely add to my skincare routine. The next thing we have in this box is this. This is a green, it's called a green tomato clay mask. Basically, you guys, this is one of the things I really like too. Like, I was really happy when I received it because I've actually been wanting to get a clay mask because, you guys, I've been really working, really working, and where I work, the dust is like so. I really don't want to go into into that. So I really wanted something to really unclog my pores, like deeply give me that cleansing and everything. I was happy when I received this. This is a green. You guys will have come across something like this, like, you know, that viral, viral. I don't know if it's Chinese or when you put this in and it draw out. Like, if you get what I'm saying, this viral whatever that probably to be like an old person's skin, they don't put the product on it. That one is like a stick clay whatever. You put the product on it, and when they clean that particular part, it's now look fresh and younger. Like, tell me in the comment section if you are saying that. Okay, so the next product that we have here is this is a spray serum. I have something like this. Yeah. I have something like that. I think I gave it to my sibling, my sister. This is a mist. It's from the Alab, the Alab, whatever. It's an hydrating spray. Has a really pleasant smell, to be honest. Like, pleasant fragrance. I like it. I just give this bougie vibe. I really like it, you guys. Like, it would be really nice makeup wise and everything. Did I show you guys what it looks like? It's from Bia Lab. It's their facial mist spray. What else did we get in this box? Okay, the next thing is this one from iUnique. You guys will see that they are opened. I just did a review for TikTok, so I needed them open because TikTok videos are just fast. So this one is a moisture cream. Basically, it's a moisturizer. Okay, it's from the brand iUnique. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Yes, from this brand iUnique. Yep, it has wrinkle care, whatever. I'm seeing brightening on it. I didn't see that before. I'm going to really cross check if this is dark skin girl friendly before I tell you guys if you guys can use it, because I really don't like seeing brightening on my skincare product. Do not write it. If it is moisturizing, tell me it's moisturizing. I don't want to see anything brightening. We love our melanin, but I love the consistency. I love everything about it. It doesn't have any fragrance, so if you have a sensitive skin, you can absolutely use that. What again came in the box? I was trying to find the pack. This came in this box too. It's an ampoule. I don't know, it's a pore defense ampoule. Basically it's like a spray and everything. I really like it. I started using it, but you guys look at this picture. It looks like a bath soap. It's just really cute. I like you guys. I'm telling you that I started using it. Like, it's just so, it's refreshing basically. Plus the whole whatever, it's an ampoule, acne, whatever. We're just talking about the product generally. It contains a lot of contains vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, lactococos, pitcha. Yeah. All right, so this is it and I love it. This also came in the box. Okay, we also have this. I love this one. It's kind of a lip oil, lip gloss, lipstick. I don't even know what to say. It's from this brand called Laka and Co. I don't know, I'm not sure I've liked any. Okay, I think I really like Tokobo. Look at this, you guys. It's really nice. Look at the applicator. I don't even know what I love most. Probably the shade. This is called Salty in the shade 108. Okay, I'm wearing it. I told you guys I just did an unboxing of this on my TikTok, and you guys look at this. It's really cool. Like, it has this cool effect on the lips. Like, you guys, what do you think? That's what I applied it before. That's why I told you guys I saw my lip. Like, yeah, I really like it. Yeah, it's dark skin girl friendly, and it's just a yes for me. The next thing we have in the box is this is a sheet mask. Yeah, it's a full face mask from this brand. Yeah, Nimbuzin. I didn't even see that it was from Nimbuzin. Let me show you guys. Nimbuzin. Yep. This is from Nimbuzin, and it contains yeah, let's see what's inside, but let's even read what's in. Okay, they said it's a NAD plus bio. I'll do my research on that. All these products, I don't know. It said okay, they gave us a free lifting band in it, and it gives you premium lifting. I don't really want to lift my face. I don't know. Why is this blurry? Okay, so this is it, and it promises to give you a glowy skin. So it comes with 4 of these. I'm going to try them out. Hopefully I have the time. Like, your girl is doing a 9 to 5 now, so I don't really have that time no more. They said it comes with a free lifting band. Like, when I opened this, I didn't even know. Like, I wasn't sure what it was, but this is it, and it's okay. It's divided into 2. We'll see when we use it. You guys, I have content. I don't know why I've been stalling on this YouTube, but that is all that I got in this PR box, this particular box. You guys, let's move on to the next box, but that will not be in this video. Tell me in the comment section if you guys enjoyed seeing this. Is my guys, that is that for the unboxing. That's all that came in the rookie box. More details will be in the description. If it's not in the description, just check a pin post. Okay, basically I want to also say that am I posting this video late? I think they were having a discount on the box or something, but I've really not had the time to do an unboxing or anything. But if you really want to get any of the products, you can shop through Style Korean website. Okay guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.